You know, it's easy to brush off the small stuff at night, frequent trips to the bathroom, a little thirst here and there, maybe some leg cramps. But what if I told you these seemingly innocent nighttime disruptions could be waving a massive red flag? It could be diabetes creeping up on you, causing symptoms you can't afford to ignore. In this video, we're diving deep into the nighttime warning signs of diabetes, those sneaky, often overlooked symptoms that pop up while you're supposed to be catching some sleep. So grab your notebook and pay close attention, because identifying these symptoms early on could make all the difference in your long-term health. 1. Frequent urination, nocturia. Frequent trips to the bathroom during the night, or nocturia, can be an early sign of uncontrolled diabetes. When your blood sugar is high, your kidneys work overtime to filter out the excess glucose by producing more urine. This not only disrupts your sleep, but also dehydrates you, leaving you feeling tired and groggy the next day. Why it matters. If you find yourself waking up multiple times to urinate, this could be a signal that your blood sugar levels are out of control, and it's crucial to consult with your doctor. Tip: incorporating fiber-rich foods like apples and spinach can help stabilize blood sugar levels. 2. Excessive thirst and dehydration. Hand in hand with nocturia comes excessive thirst. As your body works overtime to flush out extra sugar, you become dehydrated, leading to a constant need for water, even in the middle of the night. This dehydration throws your electrolytes off balance, causing your body to retain sodium and lose critical minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Why it matters? Dehydration exacerbates diabetes symptoms, making it harder for your body to regulate glucose. Staying hydrated is essential. Tip: hydrating foods like cucumbers or coconut water can help restore electrolytes without causing a sugar spike. 3. Restless leg syndrome. Ever lie in bed frustrated because your legs just won't stop moving? Restless leg syndrome, RLS, is common in people with diabetes. High blood sugar depletes your body's supply of vitamin B1, causing lactic acid to build up in your muscles. Add a magnesium deficiency, another consequence of diabetes, and you've got a recipe for restless nights. Why it matters. If left untreated, RLS could signal nerve damage from high blood sugar, which can worsen over time. Tip: munch on magnesium-rich foods like avocados and leafy greens to ease restless legs. 4. Peripheral neuropathy. Burning, numbness, and pain in feet. Diabetes often leads to nerve damage, particularly in the extremities known as peripheral neuropathy. This condition affects your feet, causing burning, numbness, or weird sensations, especially at night. High blood sugar damages your nerves, and when you lie down, blood pools in your lower limbs, making the pain worse. The remedy? A combo of B vitamins, especially biotin, and alpha-lipoic acid can help repair the nerves, but you also need to get that sugar under control. Why it matters. These sensations are often a sign of progressing nerve damage, which is irreversible if left untreated. It's a warning that your blood sugar management needs immediate attention. Tip: consuming omega-3 fatty acids from sources like salmon can help reduce inflammation and nerve pain. 5. Leg cramps due to magnesium deficiency. If you've ever been jolted awake by a sudden searing cramp in your legs or feet, you might be dealing with a magnesium deficiency caused by high blood sugar. Diabetes can cause magnesium to be excreted through urine, leading to a deficiency. Remember, magnesium helps muscles relax, while calcium makes them contract. So when your body has too much calcium and not enough magnesium, those muscles can lock up, causing painful cramps. A simple magnesium supplement like magnesium glycinate can do wonders not just for your cramps, but for your sleep too. Don't wait for the cramps to hit. Take action before your muscles start protesting. Why it matters. Leg cramps not only disrupt your sleep, but can also signal imbalances in your body due to poor blood sugar control. This deficiency is reversible with a proper diet or supplements. Tip: Incorporate magnesium-rich foods like almonds and dark chocolate into your diet to help alleviate cramps. 6. Excessive sweating. If you wake up in the middle of the night soaked in sweat, it could be a sign of hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. When blood sugar drops during sleep, your body responds by releasing adrenaline, which can lead to sweating, anxiety, and restlessness. Why it matters. Nighttime hypoglycemia is dangerous and can lead to further complications if ignored. Monitoring your blood sugar levels closely and consulting a healthcare provider is vital. Tip: eating a small snack before bed, such as a handful of nuts, can help keep your blood sugar stable throughout the night. 7. Sleep apnea. Sleep apnea, where you stop breathing temporarily during sleep, is strongly linked to diabetes, particularly due to insulin resistance. Your body is struggling with glucose management, and on top of that, insulin is a fat-storing hormone. More fat around your neck and throat can worsen sleep apnea, making it harder for you to breathe at night. High blood sugar levels can cause inflammation and weight gain, which worsens sleep apnea. If you're waking up gasping for air, snoring loudly, or feeling groggy even after a full night's sleep, it's time to get checked for sleep apnea. Not only can it make diabetes worse, but it's also a serious health risk in itself. Why it matters. Untreated sleep apnea can lead to more significant health problems, including heart disease and worsening blood sugar control. Tip: losing weight, even a small amount, can significantly improve sleep apnea symptoms. Consider fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli, which support digestion and weight management. 8. Hypoglycemia and nighttime adrenaline rush. Ever wake up at 3 a.m., heart racing and drenched in sweat for no apparent reason? That's your body's fight or flight response to low blood sugar. When your glucose drops too low, your body releases adrenaline to raise your sugar levels, causing a sudden wake-up jolt. High insulin levels, often a result of poor blood sugar control, push your blood sugar down, and then adrenaline wakes you up. It's a vicious cycle that can leave you tossing and turning for the rest of the night. Getting your diet in check is crucial here, especially cutting out the carbs that mess with your blood sugar. Why it matters. These adrenaline rushes not only disrupt sleep, but are a warning sign that your glucose levels are not being properly regulated. Addressing this imbalance is critical to preventing more serious episodes. Tip: include protein-rich foods like chicken or tofu in your evening meals to stabilize blood sugar levels. 9. Delayed sleep onset due to high sugar levels. Ever have trouble falling asleep because you feel wired or jittery? High blood sugar levels can cause this because excess glucose in the bloodstream affects hormone regulation, including those that help you sleep. Why it matters. Chronic poor sleep can worsen blood sugar control, leading to a vicious cycle. Managing your nighttime glucose is essential for good sleep hygiene. Tip: eat foods like cherries or kiwi before bed, which contain natural melatonin to help regulate sleep patterns. 10. Gastric reflux or GERD. Acid reflux or GERD is a common issue among people with diabetes. The condition occurs when stomach acid moves up into the esophagus, often worsening at night when you're lying down. Why it matters. Chronic GERD can cause damage to the esophagus and lead to complications. It's important to monitor your diet and avoid foods that trigger acid reflux. Tip: ginger and oatmeal are soothing for the stomach and can help prevent nighttime reflux episodes. 11. Nightmares or vivid dreams. Believe it or not, nightmares can sometimes be linked to low blood sugar. When blood glucose drops too low during sleep, it can trigger vivid or disturbing dreams as your body experiences hypoglycemia. Why it matters. These intense dreams aren't just psychological, they're a signal from your body that your blood sugar needs attention. Check your glucose levels if this happens frequently. Tip: eating slow digesting carbohydrates like whole grains can help prevent blood sugar dips during the night. 12. Non-dipping high blood pressure. In healthy individuals, blood pressure naturally dips during the night. However, People with diabetes often experience non-dipping blood pressure, meaning it stays high even while they sleep. Why it matters. This phenomenon is linked to increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Monitoring and controlling your blood pressure is crucial for overall health. Tip: beetroot is known to help lower blood pressure, making it a great addition to your diet. 13. Heart palpitations. Due to electrolyte imbalances. When blood sugar levels are high, your body can lose electrolytes through urine, leading to imbalances that cause heart palpitations. These are often felt more intensely at night. Why it matters. Persistent palpitations can be a warning of more severe cardiovascular issues and should be taken seriously. Tip: replenish electrolytes naturally with foods like bananas and avocados, which are rich in potassium and magnesium. 14. Teeth grinding, bruxism. Teeth grinding, or bruxism, is another symptom of stress that can be linked to blood sugar imbalances. Uncontrolled diabetes can increase stress levels, leading to grinding while you sleep. Why it matters. Over time, bruxism can cause damage to your teeth and jaw. Addressing the root cause of your blood sugar levels is essential. Tip: chewing sugar-free gum or wearing a mouthguard at night can help mitigate the damage from grinding. 15. Morning headaches from dehydration. Waking up with a pounding headache could be a sign that you were dehydrated during the night. High blood sugar causes the body to lose water, leaving you with a morning headache. Why it matters. Frequent headaches can indicate poor hydration and blood sugar control, both of which are vital to address for overall health. Tip: drinking a glass of water before bed and keeping water nearby can help you stay hydrated through the night. Bonus: what foods help manage diabetes? Incorporating specific fruits, vegetables, and meats into your diet can help control blood sugar levels and reduce the symptoms of diabetes. Fruits, berries like blueberries and strawberries are low in sugar and packed with antioxidants that help improve insulin sensitivity. Vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in fiber and low in carbohydrates, making them great for blood sugar control. Meat. Fatty fish like salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease, a common complication of diabetes. Diabetes might be known as the silent disease, but your body offers plenty of nighttime warning signs. From frequent urination to nerve pain, your body's midnight wake-up calls are signals to take action. By spotting these symptoms early, you can work with your doctor to manage your blood sugar and avoid more serious complications down the road. So, if any of these signs sound a little too familiar, it's time to get checked out. And don't forget, your health is your most important asset. Stay aware, stay healthy, and sleep tight.